Good evening, folks. Thanks for checking out my video today. This is another S Group daily review video. This is video number 2. I'm just going over my earnings for today. We just got paid. I just got a notification, and I'll check up here. And if you notice, it says right here, today the income was 0.24%. The Forex trade. So because of that, I profited $23.70, and that amount is determined on the amount of money I have in the system, which is somewhere around, I think I'm around 13,200 right now, guys. So all the information about how I started is in the description below, as well as the sign up link. If you guys are interested in getting involved in S Group investment company, you can do so by clicking on the link in the description below. Just want to get into a little description of the S Group company, guys. They've been around since 2017, late 2017, and the company's growing and growing and growing. They've expanded a lot. They used to be called Sincere Systems Groups. Last year to about a year and a half ago when I started, I was doing videos calling it Sincere Systems Group. They have changed their name to S Group. They've done a lot of different advancements. I'll get into the different components of the company. When I started, it was just a Forex market investment company, which you can see I have money in there. They've expanded to three other different areas, I should say. S Pharmaceutical, which is medical cannabis or CBD products, which is getting very big in basically all over the world. SIPO, that's the ability to invest. Well, first of all, S Pharmaceutical, it's the ability to invest in medical cannabis, which I haven't done yet, but I will be doing soon. SIPO, ability to invest in different IPOs, which is different companies that are trading on the stock market. And then Liquidity Mining is their own SNT, which you can actually see up here. See, it says SNT. That's their own little currency that they have, which is on a market as well. So you can invest in that. So as you can see, there's 4 different areas, guys, you can invest within the S Group company. And yeah, each one, I mean, I'll eventually get into breaking down with each one, you know, how it works and everything, how much money you can invest, the different terms you can invest. It's really exciting, guys. So it's a situation where you just put your money in the company, S Group, and then the automated computerized bot does all the trading for you. So what happens is that, especially with the Forex, which is what I've been in, at 8 p.m. Central Time, Monday to Friday, because it trades 5 days a week during normal business days. If you're an investor, you make money on the money that you have invested. So as I showed you guys, over here in the dashboard, this is the money I have invested. This is the money I've made in the system since I started, which was October 2020. So that is about just over a year and a half ago. I've made this amount of money, guys. You can do the exact same thing too. You can just click on the sign up link at the bottom. You can join my team. I can walk you through everything. I can maybe even call you or email you, communicate with you. There's a big Telegram chat group with all of us in there as well, and I can show you how to get started, how to get your account funded. All you have to do is fund whatever you can into the system. I personally funded $4,000 over a 6-month period because I believe in the system so much. I've had other guys tell me about the system, guys that are higher up that have hundreds of thousands, if not millions, in the system. They're telling me how great it is. So I took that plunge, I took that step, and since April of 2021, last year, I've had money in the system and just letting it grow on autopilot. And as you guys can see down here, I've made $9,025.16 since I started my account. So yeah, and then you can start doing withdrawals whenever you can, guys. I'm just taking my earnings and I'm reinvesting it back in the system, so that way my account grows and grows and grows. And there's no limit, guys. I mean, you can keep growing this for years on end. There's guys in the system that have like hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars in the system, just earning for them on a daily basis. So anyways, this is the last part of my video. Sign up on the link click on the link down below in the description, and you can sign up. And yeah, shoot me an email if you have any further questions. All right, see you guys in the next video. Take care.